Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a voting poll to your post on Mastodon. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the middle icon in our bottom line. Click next. We're going to click on the second emoji that we have, or icon here in our bottom line. So not the picture one, the second one. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, we have to ask some kind of question for someone to vote. For example, guess my favorite color. Now we're gonna type the voting options, for example, yellow, green, and blue. We're gonna click on publish. And now, as you can see, it is published. We can see it here. And someone can vote just by tapping on the solutions, for example, green, blue, or yellow. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!